If you're looking for a Valentine inspiration, this video is made just for you. Happy Valentine's to you all. So I'm going to be very busy on Valentine's Day. So I decided to make my Valentine video very early. And so if someone is looking for an inspiration, they could see my video and maybe draw some inspiration from it. So tonight I am here getting all of my stuff together, and I'm going to make a charcuterie board. No cooking because the time is of the essence. I don't really have a lot of I just came in from work and I just decided to do this and get it out of the way. So I hope someone can get an inspiration from my charcuterie board. So here I am cutting some fruits and vegetables. I have grapes, peppers. Place is a little bit messy, but I'm trying to get everything together. I have my berries, tomato, cheeses, nuts and fruits and tips and all of the good stuff. Here we've got some hearts. This is how I cut the hearts. So you cut deep one side, deep on the other side. Remove this part, and you do not cut down the middle like this. You turn it the other way and cut down the middle. And there, get your hearts. I learned this on YouTube, so I hope someone can learn this from me also. We're here to learn from each other. So remember, do not go down the middle. Turn it sideways, then go down the middle. That's how you get your hearts. Strawberry hearts. I'm also slicing a lemon. This is the board that I will be using. I will try to cut this apple in a heart shape. I will put the grapes at the opposite end, and you kind of spread them out so they can flank the corner. Spread them out as much as possible. Have them overhanging. You're not showing board. Now I'm getting ready to add my cheese to the platter. We have 4 different types of cheese. Also a log of goat cheese and goat cheese crumble. Because I can't have regular cheese, then I'm laying down some crackers. Everything is chocolate covered. I love dark chocolate. These are French cookies. Dark chocolate again. It's Valentine's, so it's chocolate time. And what is a charcuterie board without nuts? So I'm adding mixed nuts and my favorite pumpkin seeds, pepitas, some dried cranberries, and chocolate. Chocolate. This is our goat cheese crumble and cream cheese. Lots of cheeses going on here. I'm adding a little parsley just for the aesthetic. We also have raspberry jam and hot honey. So I'm scooping raspberry jam in my dish. Hot honey. The olives will also be on this plate. So the veggies are going to be placed right around the dips in a circular fashion. And my advice to anyone who wants to make a charcuterie board, make sure you have all different types of condiments. Sweet type, sour type, salty taste, because everybody likes something different. I like salty. My husband is more into sweet, so I have to have honey and jam. I may not have a jam for myself because I don't have a sweet tooth, but he does. But I like salty things and spicy things. So I just have a mix of everything. The hot honey I may have because it is spicy. Now I'm getting my meat together. And because I love spicy, I'm adding red pepper flakes. I will not eat this thing bland at all. And my everything bagel seasoning that pairs well with everything. Trust me, that's a very versatile seasoning. I'm trying to make some little flowers there, some roses. And this is turkey because in my house we don't consume pork or pork products, so I can't use salami and that type of stuff. So I have to use what we eat. So this is turkey breast. So I'm gonna make a quick dip or dressing. So I'm using mayonnaise, ranch, and sour cream. Mix that in, just 3 ingredients. And you mix it in and you make a nice little covering. Yeah, little red pepper flakes. And that's ready. And there is the spread. Remember, as I said in the beginning, this table is not for me. It's for you. You. Yes, you. Who's about to scroll by and not click on the video? Click on it. It's for you. Yes, you. You are about to stop watching. Watch to the end. Yes, it's for you. It's not for me. I have something else for me, and I will show it to you in another video. But this is your Valentine, so enjoy it. Replicate it. Make it for your love. Make it for yourself. Yes, we are women. We are mothers. We are lovers. We know how to do all of this. Yes, it is important to us. Even the men know how to do it. So go ahead. Make your table. Make your sharpboard. Enjoy it and love it. And now it's after dark. Show some love. Show some love. Show some love to your love. Show some love to yourself. You deserve it. And now I will sit and enjoy the fruits of my labor. Happy Valentine to everyone. I hope somebody find inspiration to make a charcuterie board. Because you know that when you go out, that food is not going to be well done. Because so many people are going to be at the restaurant. It's crazy. And this dip, if you don't make anything else, make this mayo, sour cream, and ranch. Those 3 things, mix them together, you can't lose. So zesty and tasty. If you don't like veggies, with this dressing, you will love veggies. And you have to experiment. When you go to the supermarket, you look at different stuff and experiment and see what can go well together and try. That's how I do. Just 3 ingredients. It's even good with the strawberries. Let me see if it's good with the grapes. It's good with everything. And please remember to subscribe. Happy Valentine!